Oregano oil daily can improve your health. Here's how. Oregano is a standard herb in Italian cooking, and it ends up on all kinds of dishes, with pizza being the most popular that relies on oregano, especially the infamous New York slice. But there's more to oregano than just being a dried herb that's sprinkled on the top of food to give it more taste. While dried oregano does add some smokiness and zest to food, it is far more beneficial in liquid form. Yes, you heard that right. Oregano can be concentrated and made into an oil, and that oil provides all kinds of benefits to your body. Welcome to Superfoods and this video on oregano oil, great benefits you need to know. We put out informative videos about food and health and look forward to you subscribing and sharing your thoughts in the comments too. Please remember to turn notifications on for more healthy lifestyle content such as today's video. Today we are looking at how oregano oil can improve your health and overall quality of life. Great antioxidant. If there's one benefit of oregano oil that could be called the most impressive out of them all, it is its ability to act as a very powerful antioxidant. Antioxidants help the body in all kinds of ways, but their main activity involves the removal of free radicals from the bloodstream. Free radicals are one of the biggest causes for inflammation inside the body and can also aggravate allergies, making them quite the nuisance. With oregano oil, you can remove that worry and problem from your body. Oregano is a very powerful antioxidant, and that is only amplified in its oil form. Oregano is said to be 30% stronger than most other herbs, such as thyme. This strong antioxidant property makes oregano oil a great food item to have in your diet if you routinely suffer from inflammation and allergies. It is one of the best antioxidants out there, and it is completely natural as well. Antibiotic properties. Beyond help with inflammation and the removal of free radicals, oregano oil can also help the body fight and get rid of something that is a much bigger nuisance: bacteria. Oregano oil is a natural antibiotic that raises the body's tolerance to bacterial activity, while also enhancing its ability to fight and stop bacteria multiplying. Several studies have concluded that oregano oil can decrease the activity of bacteria inside the body. Some of the ailments that it can help fight include skin infections and food poisoning. With its antibiotic properties, oregano oil can provide a strong and much-needed boost to your immune system, making sure that you stay healthy and have the confidence to face each day without worry. Can help reduce cholesterol. One common aspect of all strong antioxidants is their ability to reduce the amount of cholesterol inside the blood vessels, especially the bad kind of cholesterol. Oregano oil does the same. It has been studied as reducing the bad LDL cholesterol inside the blood while increasing the amount of good HDL cholesterol. Hence, oregano oil also helps with improving heart health. Reducing cholesterol seems to be an inherent ability of oregano oil and is attributed to the presence of a compound called carvacrol. Carvacrol is the primary compound present inside oregano oil, and it exhibits strong activity against cholesterol inside the bloodstream. Reduced cholesterol makes blood circulation easier. Similarly, the reduction of bad cholesterol from the coronary arteries can decrease angina pain and reduce the chances of having a heart attack. Oregano oil effectively helps the body protect the most vital organ and allows you to live a quality life with a healthy heart. A strong heart means a strong body. Remember to consult your doctor or nutritionist on the quantities best suited to you. Improved gut health. Oregano oil just doesn't stop there. Out of the many more health benefits it offers the human body, improved gut health is important to mention. We have already taken a look at oregano's antioxidant properties. The anti-inflammatory properties help the gut as well. It keeps the cells healthy and strong to carry out body functions. With oregano oil, you can feel a marked improvement in your gut. The effects of oregano oil on the gut aren't just limited to getting rid of the free radicals. Strengthening the cells means giving them the ability to fight against the various parasites lying in the gut. With oregano oil, you can decrease parasite activity, improving your overall gut health and digestion. Whether it's diarrhea or any other digestive problem that you might be facing, you can give yourself the boost in digestion your gut needs. helps relieve pain. Carvacrol, its primary compound, is a fascinating substance. It allows the body to reduce the sensation of pain. Yes, oregano oil might actually be able to reduce the pain inside your body. Studies conducted on mice show that the mice felt less pain after having been given a dose of oregano oil. In fact, the results of the study concluded that the effect was similar in nature and efficiency to morphine and other common pain relievers. Truly fascinating. Oregano oil is a wonderful addition to a diet and is rather tasty too. This is Superfoods YouTube channel, and we thank you for watching our video on oregano oil, great benefits you need to know. And also we invite you to subscribe to our channel and share your experience with oregano in the comments below. If you'd like to learn more about other amazing superfoods, make sure to take a look around our Superfoods channel for more amazing ideas on healthy lifestyle. Like if you enjoyed it, share with friends and subscribe for more healthy content. And as always, thanks for watching.